Here's the early gang. Yeah, all right. We'll send that to Ken.
Counting it down?
Oh no, I can do it from here.
Oh, that's pretty high tech. Holy
So you didn't go, let's see here.
Squeeze.
I can't see you.
Squoze.
So why don't you come over here?
gosh.
Hal's there.
You are high
And I'm the
tech.
big green thing in the front, but I'm going to walk around and stand behind. Okay, we'll take a couple pictures.
Where are we looking? Oh.
Okay. 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 Get to work. Okay. Oh my heavens, Ken. You're going to be eating like crazy.
I told you to separate the reds from the whites.
Ah, yeah. Don't tell my mom. Yay. What'd you